We're on a journey, looking back on the things that we've taken for granted, but feels like we're learning to be better without what's been holding us back now. Let's move closer to a new history, find out what we can be together.
So we had our 2 months off. We went home, did some stuff. The only work that we had done to the boat basically was storage and a bottom job. And because they wanted like $8,000 to resell our windows, so we're gonna do that ourselves. So today's the day. We're gonna start taking the windows off.
Right, there's like a pin.
Yeah.
Where is it?
It's right here. It's right here. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Come here. Right here.
Ta-da.
Window number 1. Yeah, we got a lot of cleaning to do.
I cut through that pin. Damn it.
Well,
It wasn't where you said it was.
Steven, I put my finger on it and laid my finger flat down. Just
Did I cut through that one too?
listen to me.
Yeah, I did.
Look at me. I indicated where it was. If you missed the mark, that's on you, not me.
Oh.
Here, take the window. Now, if you'll give me a blade, I will scrape all this off. I'm sure of it. This is the way it's coming off. First window off, see? And we did that because we woke up to a nice, beautiful, sunny day. Steven left 2 minutes ago to go buy some cleaner to get the old caulking stuff off, but look what's blowing in. So Talon and I are about to park this window. Come on, Talon. Doing
Sanding, getting it ready for prepping, and then we've got some cracks that we're gonna have to deal with because they span the length of the seal.
this
So that's
one
probably
goes
why.
all the way across.
Yeah. So
But we ended up not taking that off. The place where we had the boat hauled out, we asked them about doing the windows. They wanted $8,000 because of this. They said having this thing makes it difficult and you have to take it off. But anyway, we found out you don't have to take it off.
So we got some friends here called Mike and Stephanie, and they're wanting to do what we're doing and putting everything together. Well, today is new sales day for them because they just arrived, so we're going to share in their celebration of new sales, or new sale, and watch them open it. Oh.
Pretty bag.
Batons.
You want to put it out in the lawn?
Yeah.
Yeah, because they asked for final measurements. Oh, it's the only time it'll fold that well.
Oh yeah.
Ah, isn't she pretty? I know. Feel it while it lasts.
Yeah. That's cool and useful.
But I only have 2 reef sheets that come into the cockpit, so I might have to do something about
we
that.
just read a lot of stuff about big open ocean and having that third reef.
Yep. That is the major effect on that.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, you guys have a rolling program. Oh, yeah, definitely.
Well, good morning, and it is a chillier day today, although very pretty. I don't know if you can see that. And so I'm working on the windows, and I'm probably saying a lot, but I've ground out all of the there was minute cracks going across the entire seal, so I think that was part of what was letting water in, and then it kind of compromised the sealant. So I've ground all of those out, and then we've gel coated it. So I did a thicker gel coat by adding some silica fiber, and then I painted on a thinner version, and the part to do now is to sand it all nice and smooth and flat. So we got told if we put blue tape or frog tape down when we push onto the window and let the sealant come out, you just get a razor blade, go along the edge, try not to slice your fingers, and you get a really decent edge. Without too much cleanup.
Windows are definitely dirty, but we'll use some vinegar and alcohol to clean those after. So that's one window. The one with the green tape's about to go back in because it doesn't have sealant on it yet. And then we'll just have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 left to go.
Yay! So that's 3 more windows done. I'm quite pleased about that. Used a slightly different sealant. I used the Fast 4200 Black Fast. Yeah, it's very different to the regular 4200. So yeah, I'll do the next 2 when we get down to Florida.